A4 brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie.
Wow.
I have something special for you to draw today.
Ooh.
Do you want to know?
Yeah.
It's a space rocket.
Okay.
It's a pleasure to see everyone.
Ooh. Yeah.
You are so excitable today, Artie. Go and get your marker pens.
Okay.
I wonder what Artie is going to create today.
This is fantastic.
Are you excited to draw a rocket?
Yeah. Yay.
What a fantastic day it is. So happy you are all here.
We're happy you're here too, Betty. Let's start by drawing a slightly curved line across the page. And then another curved line going up towards the top. Then join the two with a little half circle. Now at the bottom, let's do a tiny little half circle, little one on the left, little one on the right, and let's join them together with a curved line. And a second one underneath. Let's continue the rocket down with two little lines. 1, 2. And let's connect those two with a curvy line.
Isn't this great, Mikey?
Mikey's being very quiet today, Betty. I think he's grumpy today. Now Artie's drawing the bottom part of the rocket where all the fire comes out. You're doing great, Artie. Now let's draw the fire. One big flame shape out of the left side. And another flame shape out of the right side. You're having fun, Artie. Two smaller flames inside the large flames. And now let's do some little thin lines just to show some ridges. Finish the bottom of the rocket. Now how about some big wings? That's right. Let's do a little curve and then a big curve going back to the body of the rocket. And the same on the right hand side. Big curve going all the way up to the side of the rocket. Please, can you have a joke break? Okay.
Why did Mickey Mouse go to space? To find Pluto.
I knew Mikey wouldn't be quiet for long. Okay, now let's do some eyes on our rocket. 2 circles for 2 eyes. Let's do the pupils inside and color them in black. And now a big smiley mouth. And some teeth. And how about a tongue? Now shade in the back of the mouth black. It's looking great, Artie. Do you think something is missing? How about some stars?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Let's draw some stars. 1 little star. 2 little stars. 3 little stars. Oh, you're drawing something else, Artie? Oh, it's a moon.
I think he's doing great.
Me too.
He is doing great. Let's do lots of little circles just to make it look like there's bolts on the rocket. Bolts are what holds the whole thing together. Finished? Let's color it in. Finished? It is spectacular, Artie. Really great. My favourite is how you made the wings and the top of the rocket red. And the fire, it looks like a rocket.
Have fun. See you next time. Marker out.
Well, little artists, we hope you enjoyed the show. Have an arty day, and until next time, we'll say goodbye.